Who is my number one enemy? Israel. Who is Israel fighting? Iran. Who do I want to win in that situation? Iran.
Good.
Now, do I want Iran to defeat Turkey? No, I do not.
Okay, so if Kim Jong-un, the leader of North Korea, tomorrow, who is worshipped as na'udhu billah, as a god in his country, his people literally take him as a deity. If he attacks Israel to free the people of Gaza, I will support him. I will back him on that.
Same.
Good. But what I will not do is justify the shirk of his people worshipping him and saying, well, that's not really shirk. You know, we're okay with them. They don't really mean that he's God. You know what? You see the difference there? Do you agree?
I do agree.
Good. So if Iran goes to free Palestine, goes to free Gaza, 100% I back him. What I'm saying is, if the criterion is that we back Iran against Israel, I'm with you.
Good.
But if the criterion is we justify their shirk as not being shirk, if we start saying, well, they don't actually curse the Sahaba, when they're telling you we curse the Sahaba. And cursing Sahaba is not a light issue.